and welcome back to Writing Tutorials. In today's episode, we're going to walk through a sample customer service representative application letter that's well organized, professional, and easy to customize for your own job search. So if you're applying for a customer service role, especially in industries like telecommunications, retail, or tech, this is the video for you. Let's break it down paragraph by paragraph, and I'll help you understand what each sentence is doing and how you can adapt it to your own situation. Let's start with the header, which includes your personal information. Marcus D. Bennett, 874 Westfield Avenue, Paterson, New Jersey, 07502, 973 555 9216. Marcus.bennett@email.com. Here, Marcus includes his full name, address, phone number, and professional-looking email. Always use a clean, simple font and keep your personal details at the top left corner. Make sure your email sounds formal. Avoid anything like cuteboy92@email.com. Stick to versions that use your real name. Next comes the date, June 30th, 2025. Always include the date you're writing the letter. It helps create a formal timestamp and ensures your letter appears current and relevant. Then we move to the employer's information, which should be left aligned right under the date. Hiring manager, Bright Path Communications, 1123 River Street, Newark, New Jersey, 07102. Use the proper title, hiring manager, if you don't know the person's name. If you do have a name, like Ms. Jane Alvarez, feel free to use it for a more personalized touch. Underneath, put the company name and full address. Then comes the subject line. Subject: Application for Customer Service Representative Position. This is a helpful line that clearly tells the employer what position you're applying for. You can also say Customer Service Representative Role if that fits your style better, but both formats are perfectly acceptable. Now let's get into the actual letter. It opens with the salutation, Dear Hiring Manager. This is simple and professional. If you know the hiring manager's name, definitely use it here. For example, Dear Mr. Thompson or Dear Ms. Rivera. If not, Dear Hiring Manager is a safe and respectful choice. Now onto the first paragraph. I am writing to apply for the customer service representative position at Bright Path Communications as advertised. With over 3 years of customer-facing experience in the telecommunications industry, I'm confident in my ability to deliver exceptional service and contribute to your team's success. So let's break that down. The first sentence gets straight to the point. Marcus tells us what he's applying for and where he saw the job. This sentence should always appear in your opening. It's clear and professional. In the second sentence, Marcus gives us a quick summary of his experience. Over 3 years, and in the telecommunications industry. That's important because it gives the employer context about the applicant's background right away. He then expresses confidence in his ability to provide value. This is key. It sets the tone for the rest of the letter. Be sure to match your experience to what the job needs in this paragraph. If the job is about handling customers daily, talk about your customer-facing experience. Now, let's go to paragraph 2, which is where you describe your previous job in more detail. In my most recent role at Skyline Tech Solutions, I handled high volumes of customer inquiries via phone, email, and live chat. I became well-versed in resolving technical issues, billing concerns, and account management queries, always with professionalism and a calm demeanor. This is a very effective paragraph. First, Marcus names his last company, Skyline Tech Solutions, and explains the nature of his work. This is where you should tell your viewers. Always tailor this paragraph based on your past job. Mention the name of the company and list the responsibilities that are most relevant to the position you're now applying for. Marcus also highlights the channels of communication he used: phone, email, and live chat. This shows versatility. Then he gives examples of the types of issues he resolved: technical problems, billing concerns, account questions. And importantly, he emphasizes his professionalism and calm demeanor. These small descriptive phrases help the employer visualize how Marcus handles challenges, something extremely valuable in customer service roles. Let's look at paragraph 3. I take pride in my communication skills, patience, and ability to find solutions that prioritize customer satisfaction while aligning with company policies. This sentence helps showcase soft skills, which are just as important as technical experience. Marcus is saying, I not only do the job, I do it with empathy, patience, and a focus on both the customer and the company's goals. That's the sweet spot in customer service, meeting the customer's needs without violating the company's rules. Use this paragraph to talk about your strengths, especially those that might not appear directly in your resume. Now let's move to paragraph 4, which shows his tools and adaptability. I am proficient in CRM software, such as Salesforce and Zendesk, and I thrive in fast-paced environments that demand both attention to detail and empathy. I believe these strengths make me a great fit for BrightPath Communications, especially given your company's focus on delivering outstanding service experiences to clients. This part is fantastic because Marcus connects his tools and skills to the company's mission. Here's what to take away. He names specific software, Salesforce and Zendesk, which gives his claims credibility. Then he talks about how he works: attention to detail, empathy, and handling fast-paced environments. Finally, he matches that to the company's own priorities: delivering outstanding service. Make sure you do the same in your letter. Always tie your qualities back to what the employer is looking for. Then we have the closing paragraph. I am excited about the opportunity to bring my experience and dedication to your customer service team. I would welcome the chance to discuss how I can contribute further during an interview. Please feel free to contact me at 973-555-9216 or by email. This is your call to action. Marcus expresses interest in joining the team and invites the employer to set up an interview. You should always include a clear sentence like this that makes it easy for the employer to know you're available and eager. Also, don't forget to list your contact information again, just like Marcus did with his phone and email. And finally, the closing. Thank you for considering my application. I look forward to the possibility of speaking with you. Sincerely, Marcus D. Bennett. This is polite, respectful, and ends the letter on a positive note. Always close with sincerely or best regards, followed by your full name. This sample letter from Marcus is clean, clear, and effective. It starts strong, highlights his most relevant experiences, showcases both technical and soft skills, and ends with a confident call to action. If you're writing your own customer service representative application letter, follow this structure. Make sure to tailor your examples and software experience to the job you're applying for. And always sound confident, professional, and enthusiastic about joining the team. Thanks so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other videos on writing job application letters across different roles. See you in the next tutorial.